looking, we cooking, and welcome to my YouTube channel. We're about to be making these carbonara pasta noodles for the first time, and I'm actually very excited. I'm gonna be using last night's leftovers. It was chicken Alfredo instead of the milk, and I got mushrooms, chicken, cheese, milk, everything you need to make this like carbonara good. And then we got the spicy. We're gonna mix it with another pack of spicy because I love spice. And I only got one of these carbonaras because I want to try it. So let's get started. We started off with some chicken broth. You want to boil your eggs. These are about done. These have only been in for 12 minutes. I think that's good. First packet. This feels thin. I can't explain it, but I love these noodles. The quality is so good. I always get this pack. This feels, see, it's two. It's a little bigger. I don't know. They're definitely different. Where my noodle heads at? Y'all see how that's thicker and more yellow? And this is thinner, more squiggly, and like whiter. They different, so that's why it's good. They softer too. This is kind of cool. I'm a foodie, so we get into the details of the food. So as that cooks, we're gonna add some water and some chicken broth. I feel like this is gonna be like an autumn soup. Like an autumn ramen. Because of like the heavy cream. Do I what? Am I doing the red sauce? Why, you scared of spice? How could I assume such a thing? That's such a good point. Yeah. It's gonna be a autumn sauce. This is for you. You like spice, right? You scared? I'm sorry, I gotta ask before I put this big pack of spice. Okay, I'm gonna save some to the side. No, I'm gonna save some. Just in case. Yeah. And if I'm asking, it's because I know. So, I'm just gonna be safe, you know. My ass won't be on fire. You think about the right things, you know that? But, hey, YOLO. If it's worth it, then it's worth it. Mushrooms, chicken, garlic, onion, cheese, milk, peppers. Oh my gosh, that's delicious. Shoot. I'm gonna add some chicken broth to this. We don't want this to burn. I think these noodles are about done. I don't want them soft. So without further ado, cheese.
You want me to grade you some cheese?
You watching this?
Yeah, I'm watching.
This is what I want you here for.
You want some of this?
Do I want some or what? Let me tell y'all something. That shit is good. It's good. It's I had a little bit there on my scrumdiddlyumptious. Okay. New signature autumn meal. You would just have to try this. Where are my chopsticks? Where are my chopsticks? Oh, really? Look at the color. You want to taste it?
I'm gonna wait till it's in my bowl.
That's why you cook it. Noodles go stupid. Noodles really go stupid. The smell of this sesame oil smells so good. Okay, at the end I add sesame oil, chili paste oil, cheese, and some more broth. Well, that moment might have just changed my life. Perfect.